Okay, so stock and data system. So in fact, it is a detailed record, of stock and datas of the branch. Okay, it is a detailed record of stock. See, I'm writing it like this: stock and datas of the branch. Okay, maintained by obviously the HO. Books will be always in the books of HO, maintained by the HO, that is the head office. Okay, this is the reason this method is called as stock and data system. Okay, yeah. So apart from stock and datas, number of other accounts are also maintained. Okay, so don't go with the word stock and debtors मतलब दो ही ledger बनाना है. No, other ledgers are also simultaneously maintained. Okay, अब वो other ledgers कौन से है? Apart from stock and ledgers, वो जो other ledger है वो कौन सा है? ठीक है, तो मैं आपको एक पूरा लिस्ट देती हूँ क्या क्या ledgers आपको बनाने हैं, which ledgers you have to make. Okay, so all that list I will be giving to you. So जो main ledgers है that I am giving you. First, we will be making a branch stock account. Okay. Next, we will be making branch data's account. Okay. Then branch expense account. ठीक है, एंड ब्रांच स्टॉक के साथ साथ और एक बनेगा, दैट आई लेट यू नो जस्ट अ मिनट. सो अंडर ब्रांच स्टॉक अकाउंट व्हाट विल यू रिकॉर्ड? ओके, क्या रिकॉर्ड करोगे आप ब्रांच स्टॉक के अंदर? वही जो हम लास्ट टाइम करते थे, लाइक गुड्स रिसीव्ड, गुड्स रिटर्न्ड, okay, goods received, goods returned, sold, then any surplus, or what is that called, what word is that, any surplus or shortage of stock. Okay, ये भी रिकॉर्ड होगा. Okay, goods received, goods returned, whether at cost or at IP, everything will be taken into consideration. So A, B, C, D. Okay, and I'm mentioning it at your, whether it is, yeah, at cost or IP. Clear? अब कॉस्ट है तो ठीक है, लेकिन अगर आईपी है तो फिर और एक लेजर बनेगा, ठीक है। या विच वन, if you remember when we were doing data system, we were making branch account. If there was GSTB का entry IP, we used to keep the loading price on the opposite side. Do you remember? याद आ रहा है? Acknowledged in the chat box. Do you remember this? Yes, correct. हाँ, तो here in branch in stock and data system, हाँ, एक अलग अकाउंट बनता है लोडिंग प्राइस को रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए, ठीक है। आई रिपीट, इन ब्रांच एंड डेटा सिस्टम एक अलग अकाउंट बनता है टू रिकॉर्ड द लोडिंग प्राइस, एंड दैट अकाउंट इज नोन एज द फोर्थ वन विच आई सेड। ये आपको चार अकाउंट्स बनाने हैं ना, दिस वन, fourth one, branch stock adjustment account, ओके। इसमें क्या होगा, इसमें सिर्फ लोडिंग प्राइस रिकॉर्ड होगा, रिकॉर्ड लोडिंग, ओके, क्लियर। दिस वन ABCD, इस सबका लोडिंग इधर आएगा, समझ में आ रहा है, ओके। नाउ कम टू डेटास, ओके ग्रेट, okay. Now come to datas. Now datas में what are you going to record? Okay, all the transactions, all the transactions relating to, all the transactions relating to branch datas, okay. ये सब टाइप की एंट्रीज हमने की है ना, जैसे व्हाट वाज दैट, क्रेडिट सेल्स, entries like credit sales, then what was it? Bad debts, then discount on creditors, okay, discount allowed, I mean, yeah. Then there was one more, collection from debtors, collection from debtors. So all these type of entries, okay. Yeah, Diksha, collection from debtors is only known as cash received from debtors, okay, उसी को बोलते हैं, उसका दूसरा नाम है, ठीक है। डन टिल योर, ओके। नेक्स्ट, branch expense, next come to branch expense, okay, and right on, it records branch expenses paid by the branch and paid by HO, दोनों, ऑब्वियसली ये तो assumption है, राइट ना? ब्रांच पे कर रहा है मतलब इनडायरेक्टली कौन पे कर रहा है? एचओई पे कर रहा है. ओके. And here one more thing is important: bad debts, then discount. Talking about allowed, are also entered in this account. Okay, this is important. Clear? Okay. So I hope now this is clear. ओके, तो यहाँ पे ये मेन अकाउंट्स बनेंगे. हाँ, ब्रांच स्टॉक, ब्रांच डेटर्स, ब्रांच एक्सपेंस, ब्रांच stock and adjustment account. If given in question branch creditors also, if information is with respect to branch creditors, then branch creditors also we'll have to prepare. Okay. And out of this branch stock adjustment account, this account is prepared obviously to find out the gross profit and net profit made at the branch. Okay. So you can put an highlight over here to find out gross profit or net profit at branch. ठीक है. Okay. Fine. And write down a note. Sometimes a separate branch profit and loss account is prepared to find out net profit. Okay. Then branch stock adjustment account is prepared to find gross profit. समझा? Is this point clear to everyone? Sometimes depending on the question, if they ask you to prepare a P&L account, branch P&L account, then we will have to prepare it. Okay? So that time what will happen? Net profit you will get from branch P&L and gross profit you will get from branch stock adjustment account. इज दिस क्लियर? समझ में आ रहा है? क्लियर अबाउट इट? ओके फाइन. ठीक है. Now let us move on to journal entries under stock and data system. Okay, yeah. Journal entries. Obviously, it is always in the books of HO. Okay. Transaction and journal entry. First, when goods are sent to branch. Okay. So when goods are sent to branch, first at cost. Okay. So if it has cost price, so your journal entry will be branch stock account debit to GSTP. Okay. But this is a rare case, huh? Generally, you will get it with IP only. So branch stock account debit to GSTP. But, right? When we were doing data system, that time what was the journal entry? Branch account debit to GSTP. Correct? यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? Instead of branch account, we will be more specific. डेटा सिस्टम में क्या होता है, एक ही लेजर बनता है, दैट इज ब्रांच अकाउंट. तो जो भी आपका एंट्री है वो एक ही लेजर में ही जाएगा. बराबर. हाँ. फिर उसको सपोर्टिंग लेजर्स के लिए हम लोग क्रेडिटर्स या डेटर्स अकाउंट बनाते थे अकॉर्डिंगली. करेक्ट. बट फॉर ब्रांच इन स्टॉक एंड डेटा सिस्टम वी आर मोर स्पेसिफिक. what is coming in, stock is coming in. तो branch stock account debit to GSTB account. Am I clear? समझ में आया? Next, if it is at invoice price. ओके. अगर ये इनवॉइस प्राइस पे होगा तो क्या हो जाएगा तुम्हारा जर्नल एंट्री चेंज नहीं होगा, सेम जर्नल एंट्री होगा. ब्रांच स्टॉक अकाउंट डेबिट टू GSTP. ओके. विद द इनवॉइस प्राइस. और इसके साथ साथ आप लोडिंग का भी एंट्री डालोगे. ये मत भूलना. जैसे ही इनवॉइस आएगा साथ में लोडिंग का एंट्री भी डाल देना। तो लोडिंग का एंट्री क्या बनेगा? ओके, इसका रिवर्स हो जाएगा वो, करेक्ट। It will become GSTB account debit reverse, right? GSTB account debit to branch stock adjustment account. Okay, Ayushi, thanks. Okay, note down this. So if it is at cost, then not an issue. Okay, but yeah, if it is at invoice, then you have to record the invoice price and then accordingly record the loading also. समझ में आया everyone? Okay, so this is done. Next, when goods are returned. Okay, तो ऊपर वाले का returns. When goods returned by branch to HM, मतलब ये वाले एंट्री का रिटर्न्स। ठीक है, सेम लॉजिक इसमें भी, एट कॉस्ट वही। So my journal entry will be GSTB account debit to branch stock. Okay, then if it is at invoice price, same entry, no difference. GSTB account debit to branch stock and simultaneously give the loading. इस एंट्री को रिवर्स कर दो, ब्रांच स्टॉक एडजस्टमेंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू GSTB account. Okay, clear with this part also? Second part is also clear to everyone? Chalo, great. Next, third one. When goods are sold on credit at branch. Goods sold at credit on branch. Okay, or at branch. So this is nothing but what? Credit sales ka entry. Okay, short and simple, credit sales entry. What will be the journal entry? Debtors to branch stock. Goods are going out, na? So branch debtors account debit to branch stock account. Okay. Next, fourth one. कैश सेल्स हो सकता है, क्रेडिट सेल्स हो सकता है, तो कैश सेल्स भी हो सकता है. ओके. व्हेन गुड्स आर सोल्ड at cash or for cash at branch. So this is cash sales entry. Cash sales में what happens? Money is coming in. Okay. So cash account debit to branch stock account. Cash bank account debit to branch stock account. Okay. Clear? It is clear? Okay. Next. Fifth one. Collection from debtors. Collection from debtors, which is also known as receipts from debtors, also known as cash received from debtors. Clear about this? Money is coming in, cash bank account debit to branch debtors. Okay? Again, is it clear? Clear till here? Then goods returned by branch debtors to branch. ओके. सिंपल लैंग्वेज में हम लोग इसको बोलते हैं सेल्स रिटर्न. ओके. इट्स कॉल्ड एज सेल्स रिटर्न. तो सेल्स रिटर्न में व्हाट कम्स इन? ऑब्वियसली स्टॉक कम्स इन, राइट. वापस क्या आता है? गुड्स वापस आता है. तो ब्रांच स्टॉक अकाउंट डेबिट, डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन टू branch debtors. Okay. Is it clear till here? Clear about it?